Hey guys, what's up? It's Zach here. So, we're gonna listen to my new song. Let me find it. It's called Earthquake. So, let's go. People were screaming. I looked at your face. You yelled earthquake. Everybody going down. It was like a horror night. I just didn't know what to do. Besides, we had to run, leave it to me. One seat in your face, you yelled earthquake. The ground was shaking the whole day. I was thinking that it was shaking harder than it usually does when bombs went off. Look up into your eyes. You were scared to death tonight. I didn't know what to do to say. I looked into your face. Yeah. You screamed earthquake. Didn't know what to say. Everybody was scared today. Yeah, was glad to do it twice. Oh, go down into ground. You will pull me out of town. Didn't know what to say. Thought it was earthquake. The ground was shaking. Everybody was running. Hold me out. Everybody was turning. I fell. You jumped. I could see it in your face that it was earthquake. I could see it in your face that it was earthquake. I could see it in your face that it was earthquake. I could see it in your face that it was earthquake. Now go down, I could see it in your face. Yeah, you screamed earthquake. That was worse than yesterday. Yeah, earthquake. Bigger than it was yesterday. I was glad to do it twice. Oh, it pulled me in, I couldn't get it out. You roll the dice and win and got help. You roll. It was bigger than every time. I could see the horror in your face. You yelled earthquake. It was worse than yesterday. It was glad to do it twice. Oh, it pulled me in, I couldn't get it out. You rolled the dice and went and got help. You rolled the dice and went and got help. You rolled the dice and went and got help. You rolled the dice and went and got help. Bigger than yesterday's. That was a huge earthquake. Bigger than yesterday. So that's my new song, Earthquake. And if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe and like the videos. See you guys tomorrow.